Hello to all my YouTubers out there. YouTube is all about you like me, I like you. You comment me, I comment you. You subscribe me, I subscribe you. That's what YouTube do. So, we just want you to come and eat healthy with us. If you want to go grab you some fruits along with us while we're eating,
just pause the video.
Just pause. Go do what you got to do. We're not going to be long before you because we on time consuming. But to all those who want to enjoy me with my fruit tray, I have with me apples as well as she do. Orange as well as she do. I had a banana, but I was being impatient. So she still have her banana. We eat our apples with peanut butter because it's healthy for us. But other than that, we on the same team. So I'm Loyal Feelings Team 10. This is one of my team spirit that's along with me. This is my little hangout right here. She try to be grown at times, but I kind of like keep her on her level, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I'm getting ready to eat so I can get my day going, afternoon going. So eat healthy with me. You know, it's not all about food all the time, snacks all the time. Your snack and your food can be even in your fruits. You know, this is the fruit of your choice. But this is the fruit of my choice, which is apple, dried fruits, and my orange. I had a banana, but I ate it all. Peanut butter. Don't eat a lot of peanut butter. It's not too good for you. Too much peanut butter is too much protein. All right, I'm about to get to chopping. Join me.
So I'm going to start with my orange.
Can you take that off? You want to burn? Come back. Hey, don't dig my tray. I know you got this is my orange. This is my other trouble. Here. See, she don't want her own tray. She like to eat off of other people's food. You know what I mean? That's what some kids do.
Nope.
Don't do that. We're camera recording. Go ahead. Next time you join us. All right. That don't look good in front of the camera. Eating off our trays like that. Isn't that right, YouTube? No, she supposed to get her own food? Yep, I thought so. But I would love for her to be in it with us. That's what Team 10 do. You know, we join each other. Yep. Excuse the smacking. It's not all about us doing the smacking. It's the food within itself. We're chewing the food and it just gives us that grip, that smack grip. So hopefully y'all can come more often and bring healthy fruits. And I can bring you food mukbangs, some type of cooking shows, cleaning, like I'm doing house chores, how to fold your laundry, your towels, your whatever we all need to do to help each other. You know, we all inspiring to one another. It's not all about just because you become a subscriber, you know, we putting each other down. Because I read some of them comments, you know, we strong, you know, you got to be strong in order to take those comments, you know, dish it out. Dish it out. People gonna be people. See that? Peanut butter on the apple. That is so good. I usually do it with celery.
But apples is the best.
Here's my orange. To all my ladies out there and fellow men, we do team things together, you know. We want to bring positivity and motivation. You got peanut butter on there? It looks like it.
A little bit.
Yeah. I might come with you with a watermelon, just watermelon. all pineapples, all strawberries, all grapes. It's a mukbang. We're going to do this together, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad my baby likes fruits. She have her days when she like junk food, but that's okay. Me too. I eat a lot of potato chips. So, I told myself, put all that starch down, you know, and put some fruit somewhere some starches be going. Mm-hmm. So I hope all y'all guys and my ladies enjoying your afternoon on this Valentine's Day.
Mm-hmm.
And that is so different. I did it on Valentine's Day. So that's to let you know that you gotta love yourself more. Treat yourself more. And eat better for yourself more. When there's 2 and 3 and God is in the midst, we can do all things as possible. Yes, it is. Yes.
You okay?
The okay is on there. It's on this thing. Mm-hmm.
And guys, noodles is also good for you. So
I'll take the fruit over the noodles.
I'll take apples and peanut butter over.
I'm gonna get my nanas Saturday and put them on my little video. I'm gonna let y'all see they love fruits too. You tired of eating already?
No. I'm looking at peanut butter.
I get full fast. Yes, I do. But that's a good thing. Because I can save the rest for later.
Mm-hmm. I'm okay. It looks like you put nothing in it. I didn't because some of them fell in the sink. I was like,
You should have took them out and rinsed them. Mm-hmm. Happy Valentine's Day. Best way to start off. And when you start off, don't just begin this and end this the right way. Fruits during the day. Whatever time of your day, your morning, your afternoon, your evening, your snack. And just include some healthiness along with your meals. These are the dry fruits.
So like oranges.
We've got raisins here. Papaya here. Pineapple there. Coconut. And I think that's it. Mm-hmm.
And banana.
Raisin. Dry bananas. Papaya. Pineapple. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet, but pretty good. Don't put too much on your tray. Whew, they're sweet. Mm-hmm.
I'm getting tired.
You will. When you say for you, then you gotta be able to hang in there. But if you had enough, throw all the old stuff off the tray and wrap the rest of it up for later.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We do get full fast over here. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put these back in here. Well, it's good. You just gotta make it a habit. And if your taste bud is different, just try something till you get that taste that you want to enjoy eating and pleasing yourself with fruits and dry fruits. I even eat nuts, pecans. You'll see. I'm going to come back with you guys.
Somehow I'm gonna get some water.
Mm-hmm. So, my orange juice. This title would be Eating Healthy with Loyal Feelings Team 10. Woo! I don't think I can go further. But thank you for watching us. If you're watching us, please like, comment, subscribe.
And give this video a thumbs up and turn on notifications.
Yes. So, I'm your YouTuber. You're mine. Have a blessed, continuous day. Bye.